Yo, it's good. It's your boy Kurt, and today we have another reaction. So today, no, I am very late about this. I don't know what I'm doing. No, maybe nakatira ako sa ilalim ng bato. Siguro, no. But I actually see a post sa Facebook about a video or a song of SB19 na umabot na sa like a 40 million views. Like sabi ko, what? Like what the fuck? So, ito yung sa parang commercial nila sa CDO Idol Hotdog. So, it's a 16-second video. Upon checking in here currently, it sits on 43 million views. And this video uploaded 2 days ago, by the way. 2 fucking days ago. The views of this video is 43 million views, man. I know it's a 16-second video, but what the fuck? And nung nakita ko to, doon ko na-realize na, alright. So SB19 also made a song for CDO Idol. And I never actually listened to it. And if you guys following us dito sa channel natin, you guys already know na merong time kung saan lahat ng mga kanta ng SB19 about like advertisement is pinainggan natin sa live. We even reacted to it live before. So yeah, I'm actually really excited to hear. My favorite parang advertisement song nila is from Pepsi, no? Yung meron silang a dance practice or choreography dance sa sayaw, choreography dance sa sayaw or choreography dance sa kanta. But we're gonna listen to this. We're gonna watch this 16-second video first, and then we go straight to the song. All right. Let me go ahead and check what is up with the 16-second video with 43 million views in 2 days, man.
Mas pinasarap na Idol Hotdog.
May panalo na! Pagdating sa hotdog, CDO Idol, BTS, tastiest, our best idol hot together.
Oh, meatiest, tastiest. Iba yung sinabi niya. Okay. Akala ko sabi niya BTS. BTS? What? Meatiest ba?
May panalo na! Pagdating sa hotdog, CDO Idol, BTS, tastiest, our best idol hot together. Ito ang idol ko.
Parang mapapakain ka naman ng ng CDO Idol Hotdog, no? Bigla nang lalabas yung S20 sa likod mo. Okay, we're gonna listen to the song.
Idol. May
Mukhang masyadong masaya si Pablo sa video na to, ha? Mukhang masyado siyang masaya, man, sa endorsement na to. Wala na niya na-enjoy ang endorsement na to, man.
Dumaang bulalakaw.
Okay. Shooting for the star.
Pagkakataon na to, di ko papaagaw. Pagdating sa dulo, ang panalo ikaw. Parang narinig ko ang aking palayaw. Pangalan ko ang hinihiyaw. SB. Ito ang idol. Idol hotdog. Atin ang pagkakataon.
Oh, man. Ang ganda ng parang sinisigaw ang aking palayaw. Diba kasi parang tinatawag ka na ng hotdog. I mean, I guess Pablo is, tinatawag ka ng hotdog, no? Kasi siya yung kumanta ng part na yun, diba?
Narinig ko ang aking palayaw. Pangalan ko ang hinihiyaw.
Ba't kasama yung road manager nila dito? Pati yung road manager nila kasama, no?
Ito ang idol. Idol hotdog. Atin ang pagkakataon. Mundo'y nasa palad mo. Ikaw
Hey.
ang idol. Idol cheese dog. Atin ang oras na to. Bumangarap ka, may panalo na. Munti ka nang magduda sa sarili.
Okay.
Liwanag ay biglang naalala. Ang lawak pala ng kalawakan.
Oh, okay.
Kahit na ang lupang ating tinatapakan.
Binalot na ng duda, nakuhang magtiwala sa sarili.
Lahat ay para sa pamilya, walang talo pag sa sarili. Tumaya ka. Ito ang idol.
Hey!
Atin ang pagkakataon, mundo'y
Oh man. I mean, the song, clearly, it's for an advertisement. No? Ito yung example ng kanta na for, kasi as 19, we all know that they can make an advertisement song that you can actually listen standalone without thinking na, this is a song for this brand. No, but this is the example of, just a, a straight up advertisement song. But still, huwag mo akong kagatan ng labi, man. Huwag mo akong kagatan ng labi. Why do you have to do like a crazy ad-lib at the background with vocal runs and, like those high octave vocal at the back for an advertisement song? You guys listen to this. Like, di ba, after niya, ito mga background. Hey. It's a wrap. It's a wrap, man. Ang sarap. Ang sarap. Buti hindi nagalit si si Ken na nakatutok sa kanya yung camera. Video ko na naman. All right, that is SB19 for CDO Idol panalo na. Idol panalo na. Man, I wanna eat hot dog now. Cheese dog, man. Yeah, well, that is our reaction for today. I guess, I mean, it's not the best advertisement song that they have. I mean, we even made a tier list. If you guys remember, if di pa napanood yun, hanapin nyo lang sa mga live ko, nandiyan sa sa channel ko. We did made a tier list to all of the advertisement na meron sila, no? Which is, ang dami, man. And additional na naman itong kanta to. Again, it's not the greatest, no? But it's a fun, little advertisement song. Again, we see creativity in the lyrics, no? Especially for Pablo. Unang line pa nga lang, di ba? Parang may dumaang bulalakaw na inagaw ang aking antok. Like, what the fuck? Di ba? Pahala ka magiging gano'n ka poetic, no? Ka makata sa lyrics for an advertisement, right? So, you already know it's a quality writing for music. But that is our reaction today. Hope you guys enjoyed that. I really enjoyed that video, and see you on the next one. Peace.